Hi folks, Terry Brown here. Thanks so much for taking a few moments of your time to check out this video today. And if you do have an interest in an online business, making money from home, okay, then I invite you to stay with me for the very next few moments because I have something that I'd like to share with you. So let's get into what I wanted to share with you today. Okay, well, this is one of the opportunities that I've been promoting for a little bit now, and it is really an exceptional program. Okay, I call it the $50 excuse me, I call it the $50 direct pay system. Okay, and as you can see, it's only $50 one time out of pocket to get started. Now that's one of the reasons why I really like this program, because it doesn't cost people an arm and a leg to get started. Okay. Also, it's instant, direct, and daily pay system, and you can begin to promote this, and you can work towards building an automatic program. Once you start getting some ads out there, some advertising out there, some marketing out there, it can happen for you. Okay, you'll earn 100% commissions. Okay, so again, it's a $50 one time out of pocket, but you're able to receive multiple $50 payments. All right, and think about it. If you were just to sell like 10 a month, that would be an extra $500 per month in your pocket. I don't know where else you can really get that kind of those kinds of results where you can add an extra $500 to your income, okay, that quickly. Okay, so it can happen for you. All right, you'll be able to use the payment processors of your choice. Okay, and we use things like Venmo, Cash App, Stripe, Zelle, Google Pay, okay, Bitcoin, Oru, and maybe there's one or two others, but those are the ones that people are using today to get that instant money into their hands. Okay, now with our program, there's no admin or website fee. There's no monthly fees. Again, reasons why I like this program. Okay, there's no website needed because you're going to receive a high converting web page. Okay, easy, simple system, and the products are digital marketing products, and really these products will help you to build any business that you would like to build. They're going to give you information, okay, that's going to help you in your marketing, etc. Okay, and also for people that join with me in this program, you're going to receive some extras, some bonuses. Okay, but not only that, you'll be able to offer these same extras, these bonuses, to people that join you. And so you'll have a link that I'll provide for you, that when people sign up with you in the program, you'll be able to send that link and they're going to get these extras. So let's look at them real quick. Okay, so let's talk about these extras now. Okay, so you're going to get email and text swipes that you can use. All you need to do is copy and paste and safe list, traffic exchanges, email marketing, etc. Okay, we're going to have all of that already done for you. Also, you're going to get my most effective advertising sources. Okay, and so you'll be able to, again, these are things that you'll be able to offer the people that join you in this business. Also, you're going to receive a daily success action plan. If you're gonna make money, man, you got to go out and make money. Okay, money's not going to just come to you, but you have to go out and get it. But if you become an attractor of money, and that can happen for you. But but you have to, you've got to get into it and get going. Okay, that's how it's going to happen. All right. Now, also, you're going to receive some bonus digital marketing products, and this is absolutely powerful in itself. Well worth over the $50 that you'll spend to get into this program. Okay, and also, man, look, weekly motivation and business tips. Okay, so you're gonna get all of this stuff just by being a part of this opportunity. And now, also look here for me, because it says please click the link below. That's this link here. This is going to take you to my webpage, okay, and where you'll be able to listen to the 3-minute video and look at the page and order from the page if you want to start the business, this business that I'm talking about now. But there's another business too that you really need to be mindful of, and you're going to get that business right here. Okay, and this page may change, but the links will be the links may look different when you come here, but that's okay. The links will be here, okay, also in the description area of the video as well. So you'll be able to click here and you'll learn about our free bonus dream business opportunity. Now, this is a powerful business where you can make some residual income. Man, you can really create wealth with this business. Okay, amazing technology that's helping people to create wealth online, and so that's something that you definitely want to see. As you can see, my name, Terry Brown, my telephone number, and my email address is right here. Okay, folks, again, I just want to thank you for taking a minute to check out this video. Make sure you grab the links in the description area of this video and check these opportunities out. Go ahead and get started. One is absolutely free. The second one that I introduced is absolutely free. You can start building residual income with this free business. Okay, so you need to take a look at both of these. I recommend them highly. I will be adding some other businesses as well that are low cost, that will help you to generate some instant daily residual income. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and wonderful day. Now check this out in closing. Okay, I'm out. Bye-bye now.